Alright, what's wrong, y'all? This is CoasterDolphin here. Today we're going to check out the construction update for the brand new Intamin Hot Racer that's coming here to Walibi Rhône Alps. This thing looks absolutely incredible, and I cannot wait to ride it in the near future. Let's see what kind of progress that we have here on the ride so far. So without further ado, let's take a look.
Walibi Rhône Alps recently just announced the name for the all-new Intamin Hot Racer, which is Mahuka. Mahuka is wine forward to escape. With a length of 1,968.5 feet, a height of 59.1 feet, a top speed of 41.6 miles per hour or 67 kilometers per hour for those of you who are living in Europe, and 3 inversions, this coaster is bound for tight elements, plenty of airtime, and lots of twists. And expect this coaster to provide plenty of thrills for everyone who rides it, including the hardcore coaster enthusiasts like me. Don't be fooled by this video, as this coaster looks a lot bigger in person than this video perceives. Mahuka features a racing style layout with 2 launches next to each other, similar to how Twisted Colossus runs, except this one launches out instead of having the extremely long climb up to the top. Because of this, expect the pacing on this coaster to not die down with a second rolling launch. Although duels aren't guaranteed with this setup, I would not be surprised if it duels every time with the speedy operations that this park has. On this particular day, no active construction took place, most likely due to the constant light rain that occurred on and off throughout the entire day. Although I have not ridden a Hot Racer mile since I didn't visit Sydney on my Australia trip earlier this year, these miles look more like a family-friendly approach to the RMC Raptor coasters. I can totally see myself lapping this coaster all day just like I did with Mystic on this visit. What are your thoughts on Mahuka? Are you excited to ride it in 2024 or whenever you visit the park? Leave your thoughts down in the comments below. Without further ado, let's enjoy the atmosphere as I show you around the construction site of this highly anticipated new for 2024 coaster.
That does it today for this quick little construction update of the new Intamin Hot Racer coming here. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe, turn on those post notifications, be the first to see my brand new videos. And as always, we'll go ahead and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.